In this tutorial, you will learn how to use smart objects and smart filters. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. Nothing makes designing non-destructively in Photoshop easier than smart objects. If you're not familiar with the term non-destructive design, it basically means to apply effects and edits to a layer without destroying that layer's original contents. With smart objects and smart filters, you're applying your filters separately as you would layer styles. They remain editable and can also be partially removed like a layer mask. To convert a layer to smart object, simply right-click on the layer in the Layers palette and select Convert to Smart Object from the pop-up menu. Now you'll notice an icon placed in the layer thumb. This is to let you know that the layer is now a smart object. Now try applying a filter such as Gaussian Blur. The filter is applied similar to a layer style. It can be clicked and edited again if needed. You can also take the brush tool and draw on the layer mask above the filter to edit where the effect is applied. The best part about this workflow is that you can always go back to the smart filter and edit any parameters you want at any time. For instance, you can readjust the curve settings or the blur settings to further make it suit your needs. In addition, the filters can easily be turned off or removed to reveal your layer's original state. What's your most used filter?